Hello there. In this video I'm going to show you how to set your USB tethering internet connection as private on boot in Windows operating system. See, whenever you use your mobile device as internet connection source on Windows OS, a new network profile is created every time you reboot your system, which is set public by default, so you have to set it to private, otherwise it will consume more data. So we are going to use PowerShell script and task scheduler to force Windows to set it to private on boot. So this is set of commands we are going to use. I will provide this in description box. You have to save these as it is. See, this is one line. You have to save it in one line. You can't save it like this. See, as you can see on the screen. And how to save these as a script file. See, go to desktop, right click new, text document presenter. Copy all commands, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, file, save as, all files, give it a name, .ps1. Don't forget to add PS1 extension. Save it in a folder where you don't accidentally delete it. Click save. Just replace this. Go to Windows search bar, search for PowerShell. Right click, run as admin. Type, press enter. It will show your network name, InterfaceAlias, that is your USB tethering adapter name. You are going to use this adapter name in the command. We are going to use a set of commands. First command will set net to private, and this set of commands will show pop-up message. Let me show you. Let me enable this. Click run. It will run script in background and show up a message like this. We have to change execution policy. Type Get-NetConnectionProfile. Type Set-ExecutionPolicy space RemoteSigned. Press enter. Type A. Press enter. See, it is set to public. Now let me run this. When I click run, see, it is set to private. USB Ethernet adapter name, in my case that is Ethernet 2. You have to see yours. You have to type your adapter name here and closed in double quotes. Now let's open task scheduler. Task scheduler. Right click, run as admin. Create task. Give it a name. Run only when user is logged on. You know, this option is more relevant, run whether user is logged on or not. But if you check this option, our pop-up message will run in background. It will not show on the screen, so we are going to use this option. Run with highest privileges. Keep this option same. Click OK. Go to triggers. Click new. On an event, but look for Microsoft Windows in the log. Look for Microsoft Windows network profile. In the source, select network profile. Type event ID 10,000. You know, when our system connects to internet, this event connecting to internet is seen as event ID 10,000. Delay task 4. Depending on your boot time, you have to set this time. Suppose your System takes 20 seconds to boot, then you have to set it to 25 or 30 seconds. Keep this enabled, click OK. Go to Actions, click New. Start a program. In the program type PowerShell. .exe. Add argument. Type execution policy execution policy set to bypass space ampersand double quotes. Now you have to copy path of your script file. Right click, properties, you can see location. Highlight this, Ctrl C. Ctrl V slash and the file name. With extension ES1 and closed in double quotes. Path of the file must be enclosed in double quotes. Execution policy set to bypass space ampersand and path to the file enclosed in double quotes. In the start option, you have to paste the directory where PowerShell is located. Go to C, go to Windows Explorer, go to C drive, Windows, System32. Look for Windows PowerShell folder. Here you can see PowerShell.exe program is located. On the directory, highlight this, add slash highlight this and Ctrl C, Ctrl V without double quotes. Click OK. Click on conditions. Uncheck this option. To uncheck this, check this, uncheck, uncheck. Click OK. Double click. Go to settings. Allow this task to be run on demand. Yes, keep this checked. If the task will restart every 1 minute, attempt to restart up to 3 times. Stop the task if it runs longer than 1 hour. If the running task does not end when requested, force it to stop. Just keep this checked. Click OK. Let us see if this works or not. Let me disable this. Now let me run this. See, it is running a script and showing pop-up message. Now let me disconnect my USB cable. We'll see if it works that way or not. Disconnected, reconnected. A pop-up message must appear on the screen. Yes, it is working. You have to keep a few things in mind. You must note your adapter name. Paste your adapter name here and go to Windows search bar. Look for services. Right click, run as admin. Look for task scheduler. ST. Right click on it. Properties. Startup type must be set to automatic so that it can run our script on boot. So you have to set it to automatic.